journaling is a written record of one's thoughts, experiences, and observations. Handwriting, the movement of handwriting, activates large regions in the brain that are responsible for thinking, language, healing, and working memory. Writing by hand really unleashes creativity that's not easily accessible other ways, like, for example, digital ways. The other thing about using pen and paper is that it forces a slowing down of your life, and it gets us out of our busy, speedy routines. A study done at Indiana University used brain imaging to see what was going on while people were handwriting. So what's interesting about that is it's both. It produced that cognitive relaxation and also deep thinking. When I work with clients, there are a couple of things that I like to start an engagement with. One is I really like to help people identify what their strengths are. And identifying their strengths really helps them to change the lens on which they focus on the goals they want to accomplish. But then I like to help them get into a journaling habit. And I do this through kind of a guided process. I use a framework where I'll work with a client to ask them what their wish or their goal is that they're trying to accomplish. Most people don't hire a coach just to chat with a coach. They hire a coach for a specific reason. So I'll have them journal about what this wish and this goal is to make sure they've really grounded that in their minds and in their bodies. And then the next process would be to ask them to envision and to write down what the outcome is going to be. So jump right to what happens if you achieve this goal, and journal about the outcome, what it feels like, what it would be like, what your life would be like. And then we go back to obstacles and start journaling about what are the obstacles going to be that are going to get in your way of achieving your goal or your wish. And really write down any obstacle they can possibly imagine, completing an inventory. Once that inventory is completed, and they have a pretty hefty list of obstacles, they do a plan for each obstacle. They write it down. They use when this obstacle pops up, then I will, and talk about what the action is. So that's a format and a framework that I use with a lot of clients to help them achieve the goals that they're trying to meet by hiring a coach.